That P2121 code indicates an issue with the throttle pedal position sensor D-circuit range performance. Essentially, the engine control module, ECM, is seeing a signal from the accelerator pedal that doesn't match what it expects, or it's inconsistent with the other sensors in the pedal assembly. Since most modern vehicles use a drive-by-wire system, your pedal has multiple sensors for safety. If one acts up, the car might go into limp mode, reduced power, to prevent unintended acceleration. Common symptoms: check engine light is on. Reduced engine power. The car feels sluggish or won't accelerate past a certain speed. Erratic idle. The RPMs might jump or drop unexpectedly. Dead pedal. No response when you press the gas. Potential causes: 1. Faulty accelerator pedal assembly. This is the most common culprit. The internal potentiometer, sensor, is worn out. Wiring issues. Frayed, corroded, or broken wires between the pedal and the ECM. Free dirty loose connector. The plug at the top of the gas pedal might be loose or have green crusties, corrosion. Throttle body issue. Less common for this specific code, but a carbon-caked throttle plate can sometimes cause correlation errors. Recommended troubleshooting steps: inspect the connector. Unplug the connector at the top of the gas pedal. Look for bent pins or corrosion. Give it a spray with some electrical contact cleaner and plug it back in firmly. Check for obstructions. Ensure no floor mats or debris are physically preventing the pedal from returning to the 0 position. Live data scan. If you can access live data on your scanner, look at the APP, accelerator pedal position percentages. When you press the pedal smoothly, the percentage should climb steadily without dropping out or jumping. Grounds: check the engine bay and dashboard grounds. A poor ground can cause voltage noise that trips circuit performance codes. If the wiring looks solid and the connector is clean, the accelerator pedal assembly usually needs to be replaced. It's typically held in by 2 or 3 bolts and is a straightforward plug-and-play fix.